Hey guys, my name is Yuvraj. Welcome to my channel Technology Zone. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. Samsung has created quite a hype in the market with its Samsung Galaxy F62. So I thought we should also cover this phone in our channel. So I had purchased this Samsung Galaxy F62 from Flipkart at a price of 14,328. So at that attractive price, how you can buy that phone, you should always follow in this video. Now let us unbox this mobile. So you just have to take any sharp object, knife or scissor. Very easy to peel. The seal is very tight, obviously it's a new mobile. So the seal is open and first we get this pamphlet from Samsung. I think there are some warranty cards and other information, so like SAR value and yes, quick start guide, regional log guide and the warranty card. After that we are greeted with the most important thing of this unboxing, that is the mobile phone. This is Samsung Galaxy F62 in laser green color. There are three colors of this mobile: laser grey, laser blue and laser green. I like this color, so I had purchased this one. So let us keep this phone aside for now. After that we are having 25 watt type C to type C charger, and then this is type C to type C cable, a very good quality cable. And last but not the least is our favorite SIM ejector tool. Without this you can't even use that phone. So now let us keep all these things aside and talk about the main showstopper of this unboxing, that is the mobile phone. So this is the Samsung Galaxy F62. Now I am unwrapping the plastic. It gives a very pleasant feeling while unwrapping the plastic of a new mobile. Obviously everyone can feel this one. So as soon as you hold this phone, you will feel the weight. The weight is 218 grams. It's very big, but there is a reason behind this weight. The back of this phone is made up of polycarbonate. It is a plastic which Samsung termed as Glastic. And in the left hand side, we get the SIM ejector pin. Over here, there are two SIM cards, 2 nano SIM and 1 memory card. In the right, we have the power on and off button. Over here we have a fingerprint scanner. Though it is an Super AMOLED panel from Samsung, but still we are having a side mounted fingerprint scanner. I always prefer side mounted fingerprint scanner than the screen over here, because it is a very bit slow now. Obviously it will improve down the line. And in the back we have this 4 camera array. I will talk about the camera aspect in the coming part of the video. Over here is the IMEI sticker. Now let us just peel this sticker and keep this sticker in the box right now, because right now we don't have any value. So now let us talk about this phone. This phone is one of the premium Samsung offerings in the mid-range, obviously because of the flagship processor which Samsung has put in this mobile phone. This phone has flagship 7nm based Exynos 9825. This processor obviously was found in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series in 2019. Though it is a 2-year-old processor now, but still the processor is very strong enough to handle all the heavy and the regular tasks we throw at this phone. Now in the front of this phone is a 6.67 inch Super AMOLED Plus panel. So what is the difference between Super AMOLED Plus and Super AMOLED panel? The Super AMOLED Plus is a little thin, which ultimately reduces the weight of the mobile phone. Now let us talk about the more important thing. What are the components of this 9825 processor? It is an octa-core processor. There are 2 custom cores, 2 power efficient cores A75, Cortex A75, and 2 battery management power cores, Cortex A55. Now in the heart of the mobile phone is the display. So 6.67 inch Super AMOLED Plus obviously supports Widevine L1 as well as HDR10 support. So you can watch all your favorite content in all the social media platforms in HD format. Now let us talk about the sensors which are present in the phone. The phone has all the sensors. Since the heart of this phone is a flagship processor, Samsung has not cut down any sensors. It has proximity sensor, magnetometer, light sensor, barometer as well as NFC support. What I liked more about this phone is the presence of full-fledged One UI version. This phone comes One UI 3.1 right out of the box with Android 11. This One UI 3.1 has all the features of a flagship phone, that is the secure folder, the good lock support, full version of Samsung Pay as well as the Alt Z Life, which always creates a balance between your personal life as well as your private life. Now let us talk now about the camera. I will make a more dedicated video about the camera. This is just a initial brief technical specification. I have also not set up this phone. Once I made this unboxing, I will set up and I will make a FAQ video. So this is a 4 camera array mobile. This is a 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 camera phone. It has a aperture of f1.8. The another camera is 12 megapixel ultra wide, which has a aperture of f2.2. The other two cameras are 5 megapixel and 5 megapixel. Both has 2.4 aperture. Now this camera means the primary camera 64 megapixel supports 4K video at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 fps, obviously 720p at both 30 and 60 fps. And the front camera is 32 megapixel. Both the back and the front camera supports pixel binning technology. The front camera is 32 megapixel. This is also a sensor from Samsung itself. It has a focal length of 2.2 aperture and obviously it has a support for autofocus technology. Now after all these things, you will find what is the battery, why this phone is heavy. Initially when I was unboxing the phone, I have already briefed you about the weight aspect of this phone. This phone is very heavy, 218 grams, but the reason behind this weight is the presence of a 7000 milliampere battery, and obviously with the 25 watt type C to type C charger present in the box, this phone I think approximately will take 2.5 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. Now obviously Samsung is a renowned brand in our country. Obviously it has recently announced that all the phones which came in the country after 2019 will get 4 years of Android updates as well as security patch updates, which is very important in the vulnerability of Android world. Now initially when I was unboxing the phone, I told you how I got this phone at a price of 14,328 from Flipkart. Now let me brief you about that process also. This is the invoice slip which I received from the Flipkart. When I was purchasing the mobile phone, there was an offer called Flipkart Smart Upgrade. Means if you return this phone after 6 months to 11 months, you will receive an instant cashback of the entire amount which you have invested in this phone. So it is a very attractive one offer, and I think Samsung, being the #1 brand in our country, can provide such type of offers to attract more customers. I am very curious to test how this phone performs, because this phone has created a lot of hype, and in the coming days I will make a full dedicated camera review, software review, full and final review obviously, but right now after a couple of days I will make a FAQ. So whatever questions you have, you can post down in the comment section below, and you can of course follow me on Twitter at YourUV. I will drop down my Twitter link in the video description. You can tag me over there and ask whatever questions you have, and I will definitely try to answer all of the questions, because I will right now set up this phone and I will test this phone for a couple of days, and after that I will brief you all the features with this phone, because this phone, when it has this processor, when it was launched in 2019, there was a lot of heating complaints. So I want to test myself also that whether this phone can handle rigorous task when I throw at it. So this was my quick unboxing and the initial impression of the Samsung Galaxy F62. I hope you liked this video. If you have enjoyed, then like this one, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel Technology Zone for more awesome content coming really soon. And obviously a giveaway is also coming, so not on this mobile but another major giveaway is coming. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. If we reach 500 subscribers by 31st March 2021, I promise there will be a mega giveaway and all of the subscribers of my channel will enjoy it. Thank you guys, take care, have a safe day.